There have been some interesting leaks due to mentions in source code. So, according to well-known Apple leaker Ming-Chi Kuo, there have been leaks of references to a new operating system from Apple called realityOS, which is supposed to be the OS that will be running on Apple's upcoming XR headset. And according to this article here, I actually have not seen those direct discussed anywhere else till now. They are this headset is rumored to feature two chips which are similar to the M1, and that is a lot of computing power in a headset. So it will be really interesting to see what this headset is capable of. And so seeing now references to an actual OS name in pop up in source code is giving me the hint that there might be something coming up pretty soon. Apple is rumored to release perhaps a headset this year or next year or 2024 at the latest, and perhaps we're already getting a sneak peek at their worldwide developer conference this year, which is going to be probably in the first week of June again, as it normally is. So that would be a perfect opportunity to basically showcase the device and get developers on board for probably a release next year. So people have time to work on it, and they might be releasing a developer version of the headset so that developers can actually test on it, since this is the first product of its kind in the Apple space. Another thing that speaks to that, so this article that I have up right now is on Mac Rumors. And now we're going to an article on Road to VR. Because they found references to WebXR support in the latest iOS beta of Safari, which is Apple's browser. And it looks like Apple gets ready for overall support of extended reality. And all this together, references occurring in source code, getting beta support for XR in Safari, that's telling me actually a lot in regards to what is coming up down the pipe. And as a long-term Apple user myself, 2022 is looking to be a very interesting year for Apple users and fans, because latest reports are that we will probably be seeing 4 new devices with the updated M2 chip from Apple. so the successor to the M1, which was launched at the end of 2020. And then we're also awaiting the still M1 based large iMac, so the professional iMac and the Mac Pro, which would both be due till the mid of the year to make Apple's promise of concluding the Apple Silicon transition within 2 years. So they made that announcement at WWDC, so the Worldwide Developer Conference, back in 2020. And basically, they would then, within 2 years, have concluded this transition. And there are already rumors flying around for an Apple event in March to kick off Apple event season. And let's see what is coming up there. So will be really interesting to see. And if Apple is going to charge 2,000 euros for this headset, for this XR headset, this has to be a banger. And basically looking at those specs here with dual M1 chips, that thing will have some performance for something that you just attach to your head. And yeah, it will be interesting. It will be interesting to see what this thing looks like. I don't how, or let me rephrase this, that I hope that it will not have a wobbly strap like the one that they're showing here, which would be like the strap for the that's basic strap for the Quest, and especially if you want to do longer sessions, those straps are just uncomfortable. And I hope Apple comes up with a better system, and or at least the option to have either or. Because if it's will be a portable solution that you're carrying with you, then of course a rubber strap like the one showing here makes a lot more sense. And yeah, to remind you, everyone who is listening to this in audio format, you can get the links to the articles, so you can see the images I'm talking about on my blog at bnonet.com, or you will find the link to the show notes in the description of the episode.